rising with the sun, women beginning again, women daring to dream dreams they once placed on a shelf for another, women learning, women thriving, women becoming, the sound of women breathing. Together, let's all inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. I hear it in the young woman discovering her voice. I hear it in the mother who has spent years pouring into others and is finally learning to pour into herself. I hear it in the elder whose silvery hair shines like a crown of wisdom. The sound of women breathing. Generation after generation. Learning, growing, blooming. Together, let's all inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Some are beginning a new chapter. Some are finally choosing themselves. Some are rediscovering forgotten dreams. Some are saying yes to opportunities they once thought had passed them by. Some are learning that it is never too late to become who they were meant to be. And every breath says, I am here, I belong, I matter. Together, let's inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. I think of the woman who came before us, women who taught us to stand tall, women who taught us to serve, women who taught us to lead, women who taught us that strength and grace can live in the same body. I think of women who planted seeds they would never see bloom. And because they breathed, we are here. Because they coached, we are here. Because they believe, we are here. The sound of women breathing, the sound of faith, the sound of courage, the sound of joy, the sound of possibility. Together, let's all inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Do you hear it now? The woman beside you. The woman behind you. The woman you once were. The woman you are becoming. Breathing, dreaming, healing, rising, becoming. Together, the sound of women breathing. One final breath. Together, let's all inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and let the world be changed by the sound of women breathing.